Hello, y'all. We're in the home stretch. Hello, hello, hello again. This is my final video. Who knows how I'll spread this out. So this may be over like 2 months, but I recorded all these videos in one day. So I know it's about to be busy, busy, busy life for the next couple months. And I wanted to keep in contact with, our online community on our luxury online YouTube, Instagram, everybody community. So this is my final unboxing. I will definitely be doing more videos, but as far as unboxings, I really think this is going to be the last one of the year. As far as anything significant, I like catalogs, Chanel catalogs, getting into Louis Vuitton now. So those things might pop up. But as far as any significant purchases, I think this is going to do it for me. And this could be because of what happened in that last video. I'm still bitter about that. Ugh. But, think I'm done with shopping for this year. Any significant shopping, meaning spending thousands of dollars shopping, not a few $100s. That's different. Anyways, and plus I've gotten some really great deals. And it's almost like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Like, it's not going to get any better than this. So let me take my wins. Let me show my fellow luxury lovers what I, obtained. And then the rest of the year, I'm just going to enjoy watching what other people get, watch, what's on sale, what's being sold, I should say, particularly with, Chanel vintage pieces, but other pieces too. There's different YouTubers I follow. There's Jody Mosley. Love her jewelry collection. She has a fine jewelry collection. I also loved, she used to have a fabulous Chanel costume jewelry collection. Oh my goodness, Mel in Melbourne. Oh, she had the fabulous Chanel costume jewelry, particularly earrings. It may have been all earrings, actually. Love her collection. There's some newer people that I follow too, but that's the jewelry side of things. And of course, I still always love my purses, but I've been into jewelry the last year or so. I think a lot of us have been. But this is going to be it, because this is the piece de resistance. Yeah, no. I took Spanish for 4 years in high school, and that was 30 years ago. And that's it. French, no. But, I got my trusty water bottle. I love this thing. Whatever will get you to drink water. I ingest a lot more water now than I ever did before, just because I have this pretty little container. Yep, got it for 50% off. Online, Julian Fashion. It's an Italian, I think it's like an Italian Nordstrom rack. I don't know. Let me not say that. I don't know. But, it's legit. You can get great deals if you don't mind buying things that are a year or two, past season. So this is the real. Still cannot believe I got this. So with any jewelry pieces, you get these things called valuation documents. And it's basically letting you know they're folks, people who are specialists in jewelry, have given this a estimated retail price. Yeah. You have to take it with a grain of salt, but those of us who enjoy this type of luxury, whether it's fine jewelry or costume jewelry, we're always looking all over the internet anyway, so we know what's a good deal. And we know what's truly retail out there right now. So this is just a thank you. And this is my address on this? No, it's not. So I don't want to ruin the surprise, but here is the valuation. Chanel Vintage CC clip-on earrings. Y'all got that right, 1993. I'm so excited. Now what's so funny is it's an estimated retail $700. You guys, this is something, someone else, educate me, let me know. I don't see these earrings for $700. They're like $1,000 and up, in good condition. If they're in poor condition, of course it goes down. But $1,000 and up. And then when I did a quick search before I purchased them, the cheapest one I saw was $1,500. Now I did see one that was $942, but the thing is, it was sold, and I don't know if it was sold last week or if it sold 3 years ago. So the website showed sold, but the last listed price was $942 or $742. Maybe it was $742. But either way, that could have been years ago. So sometimes with these retail, I'm not quite sure how to take it, because as we know, like for instance, these earrings, which just pissed me off to look at them right now, but I'll deal with that later. I think these were originally like $725, $625, something like that, if you bought it from the Chanel store. These bad boys are $1,000 and up now. I mean, if you can find them. So I'm not quite sure if they mean retail back then, $700, if they mean retail now. Of course, I can just go contact the Real World and ask them what this means, but it's not that serious. I just like talking about it and wondering and not actually getting an answer. Oh gosh, no, it's inside joke. Anyways, so this is what I got, and this is definitely a reveal, because I just knew it was going to be like, this can't be true. This can't be real. For the price that I got it for. So if you've seen the other videos I've put out, you know that I've been on, I can't believe I've been getting good deals left, right, up, and down. And I don't know if it's because we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, that some of these bigger retailers, like the Fashion Files, the Real Worlds, they're just throwing stuff up there, putting on a price, and it's just because they're so busy, or if people are really misvaluation, putting things up at the wrong price. Or, as my bestie was saying, what do they call it? It's a something lead-in. What did he call it? It's basically where a retailer will purposely lose money in one area that's popular in order to get people to buy more money in another area. He gave me the example of, I think it was Target and their food. Like they have the grocery items, or maybe it's not, maybe it's the hot food area. Either way, it's a loser. Like, that never makes money, that particular section. But what it does do, it drives people into the store and it gets people to purchase other things. So maybe this is what they do. They put various pieces of jewelry on super, super discounted to get people to start coming to the website more, and you end up buying more overall. Maybe you got this 50% off of what's the current resale price. But besides buying this, maybe I will buy 4 or 5 other things. And so overall, they're getting a higher sale. They're not worried about this loss. A lost lead. That's what, or lead loss. Something like that. Y'all can look it up. Anyways, we can think of it like drugs. That first hit, they're going to get you. They're going to give you that good price. But once they have you, it's going to go up. Oh gosh, I don't even know about drugs. I'm talking about information I learned from a movie. So anyhow, y'all, you guys won't believe this. These are so exciting. And then the price I got them for. Look at this. I'm just excited to see them again. And I just looked at them like yesterday when they came in the mail. Oh no, 2 days ago. Look at that. These are so substantial and big. Oh yeah, redundant, but oh my gosh, look at that. 93p. I just have been so lucky lately with the vintage I've been able to find. It's just, I love it. I love it. And look, some people, look at this. Scratches. I mean, it's a 30-year-old piece. Well, almost 30 years old. This is nothing. This isn't, look, the gold is still there. Let me look at it with my own eyes. Oh, it's even more gold when you look at it without. This doesn't do it justice. It's the richness of this. Oh. And do you see, I know in other videos I've been worried about, the gold being too gold. Like maybe they were fake, or maybe someone's done something to them to make it look better. This isn't this kind of gold. This gold is very bright. But there's a age to it. Like it's aged a bit. So it's like, oh no, this is just the quality of Chanel at the time. The quality of Chanel for this time period. And someone took care of this. Let's be real. Someone took care of these earrings. And they're not heavy, but they're substantial. They're not just gonna blow off. what makes me so happy is that I just got I got a heart pendant. I'll try to remember to link the unboxing for it. A heart pendant. I can't remember the year, maybe 95, but it's going to coordinate perfectly. So this is another set I found. There's a Looooove home video a few videos back where I talked about finding a coordinating set. This has just been my thing over the last year or so. I keep saying the last year. It may have been just 2 months, who knows? But I've been wanting more and more things that are more matchy-matchy. If not exactly matchy-matchy, but coordinated. I am enjoying that right now. I'm enjoying that look. But y'all, I can't even tell you guys. These are so beautiful. Oh yeah, this is good for a size comparison. There you go. Are you gonna act up on me, huh? There we go. Look at this. So if you guys are familiar with the size of these ones, look at that. I think I mentioned this in another video. I'm gonna do a video of just trying on earrings. Well, trying on jewelry. Let me put that away. Just trying on jewelry. Because this is just wonderful. It's just wonderful. Oh, look at the quality versus this mess that I'm dealing with. Do you see that? The green? That was not there when I bought these 2 years ago. I take care of my earrings. I keep them put away. Let me not start a rant. I already had a rant in the other video. But look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, The Real Real, for your lost lead, if that's what it's called. Oh gosh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't say the price. What was this one? Where was it? Oh wait, where's my receipt? Oh, there's no receipt in here. There's usually a, okay, so this is the valuation form. But there's usually also a receipt, like a receipt showing what you ordered, whatever. I got these for a steal. I'm not gonna worry about it. I believe they were, hold on, let me check. I think I have this over here. Oh no, I sure don't. I wanna say they were 7 something. I wanna say they were 7 something. Because when I saw the valuation report, I remember thinking that it was a little over what the estimated retail value was. And I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not paying over retail. Are you kidding me? But then I'm looking at them, I'm like, there's no way these are only going for $700 right now. And I couldn't find a pair that was going for that cheap. So I'm like, well, I love these earrings and I'm not gonna get them for a better deal. And that'll help round out another set. So I have now multiple sets, meaning earrings and necklace, or earrings and bracelet, or all 3 of different vintage Chanel pieces and more contemporary LV pieces. Yeah, I love it. This is wonderful. So I'm just rambling now, I guess, but stupid earrings. But yeah, so I'm thinking this is gonna be my final unboxing of the year. What is it? Yep, it's about to be November, December, 2 months. Final unboxing as far as my shopping. When I get my Christmas presents, I'll come on here and show you all that. But I'm not paying for those, so that's different. So there'll be other videos coming. I'm gonna do some of my wear and tear on my fine jewelry pieces. Let me see, I have that video I'm thinking about doing. There's another video regarding, the case for costume jewelry. I still love Chanel costume jewelry. I have a number of pieces that are just wonderful. But what in the world is this? I take care of my pieces and this happens? Okay, we're not gonna get into a rant again, but I wanna do a video on that because I'm sorry. Something like this in solid gold, man, I'm not getting that, yeah. And I do like 18 karat gold, I will say that. I have branded and non-branded 18 karat gold pieces. But if you want a whole bunch of costume jewelry, like this bracelet, if this was costume jewelry, it would have been 1/4 of the price. It's just, you know, there is something to be said for like weight. You can not have 3 pairs of earrings and then use that, whatever, $20-something $100 to go buy 1 pair of solid gold earrings or whatever you want to do. But the thing is, well, then you only have 1 pair of earrings. And I like the variety of my collection. Anyways, that's going to be another video possibly. So that's that. that's that. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy right now. I can't even tell you. I can't wait to wear this. Ooh. All right, y'all. Until my next video, definitely gonna be talking about this. Ugh. I love these earrings too. Oh, I hope I can get that cleaned or treated. I don't know. Anyways, we're ending on a good note. Great vintage find, great condition, reasonable price, under $1,000. I mean, just is what it is, y'all. Some of these more substantial earrings, under $1,000. That's not happening. Ooh, I just thought of a video idea. My best deals on pre-loved Chanel. That's it. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. Pre-loved Chanel, contemporary and vintage. Oh yeah, because I've gotten some great vintage deals. I have a pair of birdcage earrings. I'm not going to tell you. The birdcage earrings that are going for thousands and thousands now, did not come out of my pocket. Did not pay that anywhere near that. All right, y'all. Until next time, thanks for hanging out. Bye.